Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 8.8. Question number 1, find the LCM of. Okay, so first we have done this LCM in prime factorization method. Now in this we have to do multiple way. Okay, so see, first number 1, 5 and 10. So how we will write? First we will write the multiples of 5. Are multiples of 5 we have to write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. This way it go on. Okay, now we will write the multiples of 10. Are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, this way 80, 90, 100, 110, this way it will go on. Now in this we have to find the common multiples. The common multiples of 5 and 10 are which common there? See, in multiples of 5 and multiples of 10. So 5 is not there, now 10 is there. So we will circle to 15 is not there common, then 20. Same way 30, then 40. Okay, so common multiples are, we will write 10, 20, 30, 40. Like this way it will go on. So we have to find the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Okay, so we will write the LCM of 5 and 10 are, which is the least number. Least means smaller number among these 10, 20, 30, 40. Which is the least number? 10. So the LCM of 5 and 10 are 10. Okay, so this way we have to do. Another method is there, that is prime factorization, that we are doing only. Okay, so you have to follow prime factorization method. So this sum we will do again with prime factorization method. So first we will take out prime factorization for 5. In 5, which table it will come? 2 table it will not come, because it is an odd number. In 3 table also it will not come. In 4 table also it will not come. It will come on 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Okay, now we will do factorization for 10. 10 will come in 2 table. 2 5s are 10. Then 5 ones are 5. Now we have to write the factors of 5. So that is 5 only. Then factors of 10. 2 multiplied by 5. Here common is 5. And we will write the LCM. LCM equal to, we will write the common factor also and the remaining factor also. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 2. The LCM of 5 and 10 are 5 to the 10. Okay, in both method we got the same answer, 10 and 10. But we have to follow the prime factorization method. Now next sum, number 2, 4 and 8. Okay, so first we will take out prime factorization for 4. So 4 will come in 2 table. So we will write 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now we will take out prime factorization for 8. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. Now we will write the factors of 4. 2 multiplied by 2. Then factors of 8. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Here we will take out the common 2 and 2. LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, remaining number also we will write 2. LCM of 4 and 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now number 3, 8 and 12. So first we will take out prime factorization for 8. In 2 table 8 will come? Yes. 2 4 the 8. Then 2 2 the 4. 2 1 the 2. Then we will take out prime factorization for 12. So 12 will come in 2 table. 2 6 the 12. 2 3 the 6. Then 3 will come in 3 table. 3 1 the 3. Now we will write the factors of 8. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then factors of 12. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Here we will write the common first take out 2, 2. So the LCM is 2 multiplied by 2. For common we will write one time and we will write the remaining factors 2 and 3. The LCM of 8 and 12 is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24. So the LCM equal to 24. The LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay. Now number 4. We have to take out prime factorization for first 5. So 5 will come in 5 table only. 5 1 the 5. Then for 6. 6 will come in 2 table. 2 3 the 6. Then 3 1 the 3. So we will write the factor for 5. That is 5. And for 6 2 multiplied by 3. Now here not there any common factors. So we will multiply all numbers. The LCM is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 5 2 the 10. 10 3 the 30. The LCM of 5 and 6 is 30. Now number 5, 3 and 7. First we will take out prime factorization for 3. Now 3 will come in 3 tables. So 3 1 the 3. Then for 7, it also come in 7 table only. 7 1 the 7. Now factors for 3 is 3 and factor for 7, 7. So here common factor nothing there. Okay. So we will write the LCM is 3 multiplied by 7 equal to 3 7 the 21. And the LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. Okay. Now number 6, 4 and 7. So first we will take out prime factorization of 4. Now 4 will come in 2 table. 2 2 the 4. Then 2 1 the 2. Now we will take out prime factorization for 7. It will come in 7 table. 7 1 the 7. Now we will write the factors of 4. 2 multiplied by 2 and factors of 7, 7. So here also no common factors. Okay. So we will multiply all numbers. The LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So 2 2 the 4. 4 7 the 28. The LCM of 4 and 7 is 28. Now number 7, 5 and 9. So first we will take out prime factorization for 5. It will come in 5 table. 5 1 the 5. Now we will take out for 9. 9 will come in 3 table. 3 3 is a 9. Then 3 1 is a 3. Now we will write the common factors. First we will write for 5. 5 is the factor. Then for 9, 3 multiplied by 3. Here also no common factor. Okay. So we will multiply all number. The LCM is 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 5 3 is a 15. 15 3 is a 45. The LCM of 5 and 9 is 45. Now number 8, 10 and 20. So first we will take out prime factorization for 10. So 10 will come in 2 tables. So 2 5s are 10. Then 5 will come in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. Now we will take out for 20. 20 also come in 2 table. 2 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factors of 10. The factors of 10 are 2 multiplied by 5. Then factors of 20, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. So here common factor 2 and 5. So we will write the LCM is 2 multiplied by 5. This common we have written, and the remaining number is 2. Equal to 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. The LCM of 10 and 20 is 20. Now number 9, 7 and 14. So we will take out first prime factorization for 7. So 7 will come in 7 table only. So 7 1s are 7. Now we will take out for 14. 14 will come in 2 table. 2 7s are 14. Then 7 will come in 7 table. 7 1s are 7. So first we will write the factors for 7. 7 is the factor. Then for 14, 2 multiplied by 7. So here common is 7. So we will write LCM is 7 multiplied by 2 equal to 7 2s are 14. The LCM of 7 and 14 equal to 14. Now number 10, 15 and 20. So we will take out the prime factorization for 15 first. So 15 will come in 3 table. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 will come in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. Now for 20, 2 10s are 20. 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Now we will write factors for 15. 3 multiplied by 5. For 20, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now here common is 5. So the LCM is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 3 5s are 15. 15 2s are 30. 30 2s are 60. The LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Now number 11, 3 and 8. So first of all we have to take out the prime factorization for 3. So 3 will come in 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Now for 8, 8 will come in 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Now factors we will write for 3, 3. For 8, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Here no common factor. So we will multiply all number. The LCM is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 2s are 24. The LCM of 3 and 8 is 24. Now number 12, 20 and 30. So first of all we will take out common factor for 20. So it will come in 2 table. 2 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. Now for 30, in ones place which digit is there? 0. So it is divisible by 2. So we will divide and see in 2 table when 30 will come. 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. And the 0 will come down. So it will become 10. So 2 5s are 10. So 2 15s are 30. Now 15 will come in 3 table. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5. Now we will write the factor for 20. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now for 30, 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So common factors are 5 and 2. So we will write LCM is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5 multiply by 3. The LCM of 20 and 30 is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60. The LCM of 20 and 30 is 60.